So after you log in, this is what you will see. This is your feed. It's quite visual, so it's the same as Twitter, but you see that the font is bigger and it has this nice funky design. In the bottom right, you can just tap the button and change the feed to the different view. Also, if you swipe down from the spiel, this is kind of your discovery feed, where you can see the hot lists, the top trending posts, the top hashtags, and then you can just tap on the interesting hashtags, like on Twitter hashtag, um, and yes, just swipe through that. Then can go down. So fresh tea is basically the list of recommended posts for you, just like a discovery feed. My brew is just like the posts from people you are following. Then you can just tap on your account. Here you can edit your profile, change your profile picture, change your name. It's not possible to change your handle. Like you can add your bio, location, website. Just tap save button. Then just under the edit profile, you have this ticket icon. You can just tap on that, and these are your invite codes to the Spiel app, which you can just share. And then you also have settings. This is your account. You can just delete your account if you wanna. Then color-wise, this is how you can change theme. Accessibility, you can share the Spiel app. There is like a support which you can support. So spiels are basically tweets. So these are your posts are called spiels. Then you have comments. Obviously, these are comments. These are your likes, as I understand, or bookmarks. So no, these are just basically your likes. And then you can just go to the feed. Then you can just tap the cup icon. This is basically you like someone post. You can then just tap on comment. Then if you go here, you can report user or blog. Then you can just quote. Tap on this quote icon. You can quote or quote with comment. Quotes are quite popular on this app. That's how people engage with each other and get in more popularity and more shares. So that's how you can do it from here. So that's the idea. And so that's basically the app. It's quite minimalistic. If you want to share a spiel, just tap in the bottom. You can share your photos. I'm not sure if you can share videos, though. You can add some camera photos, GIFs, links, polls. You can just create threads. So there are quite a few bugs yet, but there you have it. This app is available on iOS. On iPhone, it's not available on Google Play Store, as I understand. So that's basically it.